Hello again and welcome back to Project 2019. In this section, I'd like you to take the information in the file in the exercise folder, Project 2019, Exercise 2, Task Breakdown.txt, which is this text file that I have open on the screen. And I want you to use that to create the fuller version of the Bathroom Refit Project with structure. So for example, in the Planning Summary task, there are 6 subtasks: scoping, select style, decide about project manager, check permissions required, fix dates, and temporary accommodation. And what you should produce will hopefully be similar to my sample answer for exercise 2. Now notice I've still only got 1 day estimated as the duration of each task, but my project now has structure. And in particular, note the project task summary right at the top there. It has an ID of 0. So that's it for exercise 2. My sample answer is in the usual place, and I will see you in the next section.